Everyone online says AI is the easiest way to make money right now. But after digging into dozens of AI side hustles, I realized most of them either make almost nothing or take way more work than people admit. So instead of guessing, I analyzed 10 popular AI income ideas to find out which ones actually have real potential and which ones beginners should avoid completely. Some of these surprised me. One required almost zero experience and could realistically be started this week, while another viral method turned out to be massively overrated. Let's start with one of the most talked about AI side hustles right now. First is AI content writing, probably the most recommended AI side hustle online. The idea is simple. Businesses constantly need blog posts, product descriptions, and website content. Tools like ChatGPT can generate drafts in seconds. Sounds easy. But here's the reality. Most beginners think they can just copy and paste AI text and get paid. That almost never works. Clients still expect editing, research, and human quality control. The upside is that demand is huge, and beginners can realistically start on freelance platforms within days. Here's the verdict. Good starting option, but only if you're willing to learn basic editing and not rely completely on AI. Next is AI thumbnail design. YouTube creators constantly need thumbnails, and many small channels don't know how to design them. AI image tools now make it possible to create strong concepts quickly. The surprising part is that clients don't actually care if AI helped. They only care if the thumbnail gets clicks. The challenge is learning what makes people click, not learning the software itself. Here's the verdict. High potential, especially for beginners willing to study viral thumbnails. This is one of the most hyped AI side hustles right now. Starting faceless YouTube channels using AI scripts, voices, and editing. And yes, it works, but not the way social media makes it look. Most channels fail because they focus on automation before learning what viewers actually want to watch. The real opportunity comes from treating it like a media business, not passive income. Here's the verdict. Very high upside, but requires patience and consistency. Another popular idea is using AI image generators to create designs for print-on-demand products like shirts, posters, and phone cases. The appeal is obvious. AI creates the artwork, and platforms handle printing and shipping. But here's what most videos don't mention. Competition is extremely high, and uploading random AI designs rarely leads to sales. The people making money usually focus on very specific niches instead of general designs. Here's the verdict. This is possible, but results are slower than most people expect. Next is AI resume writing. This one is surprisingly underrated. Many job seekers struggle to write strong resumes, and AI tools can help structure and optimize them quickly. With a little practice, beginners can offer resume improvement services online without advanced skills. The key is understanding hiring basics, not just generating text. Here's the verdict. Low competition and very beginner-friendly. Businesses constantly need help posting content consistently, and AI makes content planning much faster. Instead of creating everything from scratch, AI can generate captions, ideas, and posting schedules. The challenge is client communication and consistency, not technical skill. Here's the verdict. A strong long-term opportunity, especially for beginners willing to learn basic marketing. AI voice tools now allow creators to produce narration without recording their own voice. Many YouTubers and businesses are actively looking for this. The opportunity isn't just generating audio, but delivering clean, edited voiceovers ready to use. Surprisingly, many clients simply want speed and reliability. Here's the verdict. Simple to start, but pricing can be competitive. AI website builders now allow complete websites to be created in minutes. Compared to traditional web design, this almost feels unreal. Small businesses often just want a simple online presence. Most don't care how the site is built, only that it works. The catch is that beginners still need to understand basic layout and business needs. AI speeds things up, but it doesn't replace decision-making. Here's the verdict: a very strong opportunity for beginners willing to learn simple fundamentals. Selling AI prompts became extremely popular when AI tools first exploded online. The idea is creating ready-made prompts and selling them as digital products. The problem is that the market quickly became saturated, and many prompts are now easily replicated for free. Unless you target a very specific professional niche, this method is harder than it looks. Here's the verdict: overhyped for beginners. One of the most overlooked opportunities right now is helping businesses set up AI chatbots. These can handle customer support and lead generation automatically. Many companies know AI is important, but don't understand how to implement it. Even simple chatbot setups can provide real value, and businesses are often willing to pay recurring monthly fees. Here's the verdict: one of the highest earning opportunities on this list. After looking at all 10 ideas, a clear pattern starts to appear. Some are easy to start, but only a few actually scale into real income. Here are the top 3 options for beginners. Number 3, AI social media management. There's consistent demand, and businesses always need help staying active online. Once you understand the basics, this can turn into long-term clients. Number 2, AI content writing. The market is huge and beginners can start quickly, but success comes from improving quality, not relying completely on automation. And number 1, AI chatbot setup for businesses. This requires a little more learning upfront, but the earning potential is significantly higher. Businesses are actively looking for AI solutions, and many are willing to pay ongoing monthly fees. Here's the honest truth: most AI money videos won't tell you. AI itself isn't the side hustle, it's the advantage. The people making real money are using AI to improve real services, not avoid effort completely. If you're waiting for fully passive income, you'll probably stay stuck. But if you start building skills now, you're entering early, while most people are still watching from the sidelines. If you want more honest breakdowns like this, subscribe. Because next, we're testing which AI tools actually save time and which ones just look impressive.